Hi there, Blue Wrens. Time for a little bit of maths learning for week 2. Last week we looked at 2-dimensional shapes. This week it is 3D shapes. So shapes that take up space in the real world. Now, learning intention for this session is to recognize the difference between a pyramid and a prism. Two different types of shapes. Now, I'm going to start by explaining the difference to you. We're going to start with a pyramid. A pyramid is a shape like this with triangular sides that come to a point at the top. Now, the difference between the different types of pyramids is the shape of the base. You'll notice that the base of this one is a hexagon, 6 sides, which makes it a hexagonal pyramid. So pyramid has triangular sides which meet at a point at the top, which is called the apex, and then a base which is a certain shape. So this here is a hexagonal pyramid. Difference between the pyramid and the prism is that the prism has 2 ends which are the same shape. So once again, we've got a hexagon, so this is a hexagonal prism. Now you'll notice that all the sides of the prism are rectangles. So end pieces that are the same, like a top and a bottom, or the 2 end pieces which are the same, and then all the way around it's rectangles. So we're going to do a journal entry that describes the difference between a pyramid and a prism. I'm going to show you how I want you to set it out. It's a 2-page journal entry. On this side I want it to be pyramid, and on this side, you can do like an or prism. First thing I want you to do is have a go at drawing both shapes. Now, they both started with a hexagon, so that's the first thing you do. You can draw a hexagon here like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a hexagon here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's your start point. Hexagon, hexagon. Now the difference between the two was the pyramid, all the sides went upwards and met at one point. So let's do it. Side going up, 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 up. There it is. This is a hexagonal pyramid. And this one here, we had a hexagon on this end, rectangular sides, and then a hexagon on the other end. So the lines sort of go more straight back like this. And then we've got another hexagon that looks like that. And this one's a hexagonal prism. Now, the shape can change. So for a pyramid, it can be any shape on the base. It might be a triangular pyramid, it might be a square pyramid, it might be a rectangular based pyramid. Whatever the shape of the base is, that is the name of the pyramid. Same with the prism. It could be a triangular prism, it could be a rectangular prism, it could be an octagon, it could be an octagonal prism. Whatever shape the end pieces are, that's what it's named after. What I want you to do is describe the difference. So here you're going to do a description of a pyramid, and here you're going to do a description of a prism. A written description. So you might want to say, has a shape for a base and then triangular sides which meet at a point which is called the apex, and for this one you would say the end pieces are the same and all the sides around the outside are rectangular. Good luck. It's pyramid or prism, 3D shapes, maths learning.